Bitcoin price prediction. What's next for BTC? Bitcoin is currently trading around $117,800, and we're seeing some critical levels that every trader needs to watch. The market structure is telling us a fascinating story right now. Looking at the current price action, Bitcoin is positioned right at a crucial decision point. The immediate resistance level sits at $120,640. This is where we've seen selling pressure emerge multiple times, and breaking above this level would signal strong bullish momentum. If Bitcoin can push through, the next major target becomes $122,960, followed by $124,200. On the downside, support is holding firm at $118,320. This level has been tested several times and continues to attract buyers. However, if this support fails, we could see a quick drop to $116,000, which represents a much stronger support zone. Below that, the critical support sits at $113,680. The volatility picture shows us that Bitcoin is experiencing heightened price swings with daily movements averaging around $5,000. This creates both opportunity and risk for traders. We're looking at potential daily moves of 3 to 5% in either direction. Here's my trading strategy for the coming weeks. For long positions, I'm watching for entry opportunities between $116,500 and $117,500. This zone offers good risk-reward with nearby support. Set your stop-loss at $115,800 to protect against deeper drops. Target profits at $120,000 for your first exit, then $122,500 for extended gains. For short positions, wait for Bitcoin to reach $122,500 to $123,500 before considering entries. This gives you the advantage of selling near resistance levels. Place stops at $124,500 and target $115,000, with an extended target at $113,200. Risk management is absolutely crucial in this environment. Never risk more than 2% of your portfolio on a single trade. The high volatility means positions can move against you quickly, but it also means profits can accumulate fast when you're on the right side. The broader market context suggests three possible scenarios. The bullish case sees Bitcoin breaking above $121,000 and potentially reaching $127,000 within the next few weeks. This would represent roughly an 8% gain from current levels. The neutral scenario keeps Bitcoin trading between $116,000 to $122,000, creating a range-bound market perfect for swing trading. This sideways action could persist for several weeks as the market digests recent gains. The bearish scenario involves a break below $116,000, potentially leading to a test of $110,500. While this represents the least likely outcome based on current structure, it's important to prepare for all possibilities. Volume patterns suggest institutional interest remains strong at lower levels, which should provide support during any significant dips. However, we're also seeing profit-taking pressure near resistance levels, creating natural selling zones. My overall bias leans slightly bullish due to the strong support structure and institutional backing. However, I'm not chasing prices at current levels. Instead, I'm waiting for clear breakouts above resistance or pullbacks to support zones before taking positions. For new traders, focus on the key levels I've mentioned. Don't get caught up in every small move. Bitcoin can be volatile intraday but often respects these major levels over longer time frames. Patience and discipline will serve you better than trying to catch every swing. Remember, these levels aren't just random numbers. They represent zones where significant buying and selling has occurred previously, creating psychological and technical significance. When Bitcoin approaches these areas, watch for confirmation before acting. The next few weeks will be crucial for Bitcoin's medium-term direction. A break above $124,000 opens the door for much higher prices, while a fall below $113,000 could signal a deeper correction. Stay alert, manage your risk, and always have a plan before entering any position.